Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will create pulley. For that I select front plane, sketch, normal. I select line command, center line and draw a vertical line here. Right click, select option. Again select line command, select midpoint line and draw a horizontal line at here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension for this line 15 mm. Right click, select option. Now select line command, draw a vertical line and horizontal line. Again vertical line and horizontal line. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, select this line 6 mm, select this line 3 mm. Now select this line 3.5 mm. Right click, select option. Select mirror entities, select this line and this line. Mirror about this center line, select OK. Select this line and extend it. Now select line, midpoint line and draw a horizontal line at here. Right click, select option, smart dimension, this line 8 mm. Right click, select option. Select offset entities, select this line, offset distance 2 mm. Now select this line, select offset entities, select bidirectional, distance 2 mm, select OK. Now select line command, select this segment and this segment. Right click, select option. Again select line command, select this segment and this segment. Right click, select option. Select trim entities, trim this line and this line and this line. Also trim these lines. At here select this line, trim and trim this line. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, distance from here to here 4 mm, distance from here to here this is 30 mm. Right click, select option. Our sketch is fully defined. Now select center line, select horizon and draw a horizontal line. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, go to features, revolve boss base feature, axis of revelation, select the center line, select OK. Now select fillet 1 mm, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this and this edge, and this side. Select this edge, select this edge, select OK. Select this edge, fillet 1 mm, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. I draw 2 circles, center point at origin. Again select one more circle, center point at origin. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, select this circle 60 mm, select this circle 30 mm. Right click, select option. Now select line command. Now select line command. Select this point and draw a line here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension for this line. Angle between these lines 20. Right click, select option. Select this line. Make it construction geometry. Now select mirror entities. Select this line. Mirror about. Select this line. Select OK. Now select trim entities. Trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. Right click, select option. Smart dimension between these line 20. Select OK. From here to here, the distance is 14.10. This is default dimension. Again select this point to this line. Select it. These dimensions are default. We will use to fully define our sketch. Right click, select option. Now select fillet, sketch fillet, select this edge. First of all change fillet parameters. I select 2 mm. Now select this point, this line and this arc, and this line and this arc. Select OK. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch. Extruded cut. From here select through all. Select OK. Now select linear pattern. Here click on here. Drop down menu and here select circular pattern. Feature and faces 2. For direction 1, select this edge. Picture of and faces. Click inside this box and here select cut extrude 1. Number of instances, here is 6 selected. I change it 5. Select OK. Now this part is complete. Select edit appearance and I select this color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.